Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to change the iPhone keyboard clicking sound. So first of all, if you are like me using maybe you are typing a lot on your iPhone and you might hear the clicking sound while using it and you think that I want to disable it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to do it actually, and by going to your settings and then go ahead to the sounds and haptics, you're gonna be able to see all of your sounds that you set on uh, you know on the sound oh sorry on the ringtones basically. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here to see the keyboard feedback. Click on it and basically you're gonna be able to turn off the sound, and basically you're gonna be able just to hear the haptics, or you're gonna be able to hear the vibration while using the typing. Or you could just toggle it on or toggle both of them off, and basically you're gonna be able to have the mute typing while using the iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.